Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we will be making this short sleeves button-up shirt with a Peter Pan collar. You'll need a non-stretch fabric like cotton. I'm using some old bed sheets for a Sound of Music Maria von Trapp vibe. Just a note that this makes a slightly cropped t-shirt, so if you want a full-length shirt, just add 1.5 inches to the shirt pieces. You will need to cut out the shirt piece once on the fold for the back of the shirt and twice not on the fold, mirrored for the front. Also cut out 2 of the collar pieces and 2 sleeve pieces. Fold and hem the sleeves. Once the sleeves are hemmed, fold up and iron twice to create the cuffed sleeve. Pin and sew the back to the front pieces with the right sides together using a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Press open. Pin the body of the shirt to the sleeves with the right sides together and sew using a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Fold in half at the shoulders. Pin the sleeves together and the sides of the body together. Sew using a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Inside out your shirt, and now would be a good time to go ahead and try it on your doll and just make sure that it's fitting right. Hem the bottom edge of the shirt as well as the side of the front, so basically any unfinished edges. Time to make the collar, so pin the 2 collar pieces together, sew along all of the edges except for the inner curved edge. Inside out and press. Pin the raw edge of the collar to the inside of the shirt and sew. Flip the collar directly up and press in place. Then fold the collar over and iron this down so that the collar is facing on the outside, just as you would expect the collar to look. Mark the spacing for 3 buttons and buttonholes. Make the buttonholes and attach the buttons. I will link a tutorial for buttons if you don't know how to do that. We're done. I hope you enjoyed this video and that you'll like and subscribe to my channel. If you like my sewing, I hope you will also check out my Etsy shop where you can find more of my sewing.